LCM by division method. Continue with the LCM by division method. LCM by division method. See the steps. For LCM by division numbers, we will have 2 to 3 numbers, okay, in the same horizontal line. See here, write the given numbers in horizontal line and separated by commas. That is, if I have 2, 4 and 8 as a number, I am going to write it in a horizontal line. That is putting a comma. 2, 4 and 8. Understood, students? Now we will see the next step. See the next step. Divide them by a suitable prime number which divides at least one of the given number completely. Now I have written as 2, 4, 8. Now just divide this number by a prime number. What is the first least prime number? 2. See whether this 2 will divide any one of the number at least completely. Whether it divides completely. 2 table, yes, it divides completely. So I am putting 2 here. Now 2 ones are 2. Here in 4th table 2 times, comma. Again 2 will go in 8. 8 will go in 2 table 4 times. Okay, students. Now I have written the quotient. Again you are going to divide until it is giving a 1. Okay, again what I am going to do, this 2 and 1 is there. This is no problem. After this we cannot solve it. Whereas 2 and 4, what is the least prime number? 1, you have to divide only by the prime number. Again 2, in 2 table 2 and 4 will go. So 1, 2, again 2 2s are 4, so 2 here. Again I have 2 here, again I can divide it. 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, students. Now what we are going to write? Repeat this process until the last row contains neither 1 nor prime numbers. Okay, you have either 1 or prime numbers, that is 3, 5, 11, 7 and all. Till that you need to repeat it. Now we will see an example here. Find the LCM of 24 and 56 by division method. So what I have said, just write it in the horizontal line by putting a comma. Now it is written. Now what you need to do? You need to just check whether it is divided by the first smallest prime number. Check from the smallest prime number. Yes, it is divided by 2. So 12s are, 28s are. Again 12 and 28 will go in the 2 table. So again 2 table 6 are 14 times. Again 6 and 14 will go in 2 tables. So 3s are 7. Now it is a prime number or 1. If here any prime number or 1 is there, means you can leave it as it is. Okay. Till you get prime number or 1, you need to keep on solving it. Here I got prime number, so I am leaving it. Now what I am going to do? I am going to multiply it fully. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 7. So I am getting 128. Therefore LCM of 24 and 56 is nothing but 168. This is nothing but LCM by division method, students. This LCM of a number is always greater than or equal to the largest number. It is always greater than or equal to the largest number. Okay, students, this is very important. Note it down. Here we have an example. Rohan and Taruna Sahil went for an evening walk. Rohan covers 75 cm, whereas Tarun and Sahil covers 80 and 25 cm. So if all the 3 of them start together, what is the minimum distance traveled by them, so that all of them cover a small distance? What they are asking to find? They are saying to find the LCM. Okay, minimum distance means it is nothing but LCM. So here we are having 3 numbers, 75, 80, 85. I am writing this in a horizontal line using comma. Now going to divide it using all the prime numbers. Still I am getting 1 or the prime number. Then you are going to multiply all this number. You will get the LCM. Okay, students, that's all. You need to divide by the prime numbers, and you need to multiply all the numbers. See here, we have another example. There are 2 lighthouse flashes their light after every 20 seconds and 30 seconds. Given that they flashed together at 7 p.m., when they will next flash together. So what you need to find? You need to find the LCM. Both for 20 and 30. 20 and 30 find the LCM. In 2 table both 20 and 30 will go. 10s are, 15s are. Again in prime number 5. In 3 table it will not go. Next table is 5. 5 table it will go 2 and 3. Now you have got the prime number, so I have stopped here. Now we are going to multiply all this 2, all this 4. Okay, if you multiply, what you are getting? 60. 2 into 5, 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. You are getting 60. Okay, students. So 60 seconds answer. The same way you need to do the other examples also. See here, they have said to find the least number which when divided 27, 30, 90 leaves gives a remainder of 9 in each case. What they are saying? you are going to take LCM as that of 27, 30, 90. You are getting an LCM 270. Now what else they have said, thus 270 is the least number which exactly divisible by 27, 30 and 19. We need a number that leaves a remainder of 9 in each case. Okay, so what you need to do for that, all these are divisible by 270, but we need to have a remainder 9. So what you need to do, you need to add 9. So you will have a 9 as the remainder. Since it is divisible fully, you will not get 0 as a, will get 0 as a remainder. To get 9 as a remainder, I am just adding 270 plus 9. So the answer is 279. When it is dividing, you will get a remainder 9. Okay. Find this practice zone 9. Try to finish this. See, find the least number which when divided 70, 140, 350 leaves the remainder 7. So you need to take LCM of these three and you need to find the LCM. After finding the LCM, what you need to do for this remainder 7, you need to add by 7. Okay, the same way as I said before. Here the same way, you need to take the LCM for all this 8, 12, 16 and 20. Okay students, that's all about this. Try to solve the practice zone 9. This practice zone 8 and 9. Okay students, you need to find the common multiples of 8 and 16 as well as find the LCM and the other two questions which I have explained before. Okay, one question here, 1, 2, 3. So totally 4 questions you need to solve. Thank you students. That's all about this lesson. We will continue with the next. Okay, your third chapter is over.